First match, NU against FAU. RUAAP match by Basketballista, and we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. And our two referees for tonight, referee Rom and referee Apatan. First 5 on NU. First 5 on FAU. Game time. First position of NU. Kalatuche. Yes, on Kalatuche. Now 4-0. 4-point lead on NU. Uno. Pass to Manlastas. Nebi. Back to Kiljem. First shot, first basket. Air ball, rebound on Anas. Looking for Kalatuche. Now Kalatuche 1-1. Steal, Kalatuche again. Now Penetrante. 14 to shoot. Kalatuche, corner shot. 10 to shoot. Peralta again. 14 to shot clock. Short. Rebound on Kiljem. It's 9 minutes. Let it fly, Kiljem. Rebound on Anas to Kalatuche. One more Biray. Now Kalatuche guarded by Uno. Kalatuche drive. Kalatuche open jump again. Short top. It's penetrated too strong. Rebound by Nepi. Now Nepi goes to coast. Side step corner shot too strong by Nepi again. Yes on Nepi. It's 4-2. 2-point lead against NU. Sumalde, Penetrante. Back to Kalatuche. Kalatuche drive. Kalatuche guarded by Uno. Escape. Kalatuche. Yes on Kalatuche. Now 6-2. It's 4-point lead on NU. Now Biray. Looking for Nepi. Nepi open jump. Short. Rebound on Manlastas. Anas. So Kalatuche drive, guarded by Nepi. Kalatuche, let me try on Kalatuche. It's now 8-2. 6-point lead on NU. Uno. Right, nice defense on Anas. Kiljem, let it fly, open jump by Kiljem. It's 4 against 8. 4-point lead on NU. Sumalde. Steal on Biray to Kiljem. Guarded by Kalatuche. Kiljem 1-1 by Kalatuche. Looking for Biray. Nebi. Isite. Nebi. Same spot. Short up. Rebound on Manlastas. It's NU ball. NU 7 minutes. 4-8. 4-point lead on NU. Now Kalatuche. Steal on Biray. Now Biray 1-1. Biray goes. Biray move. Yo, short on Biray. Uno. Pass to Biray. Back to 14. This is the clock 14. 6 minutes and 14. Now Uno. 10 to shoot. 5. Air ball. Now Kalatuche is foul. Foul on number 12 on Kiljem. First against Kiljem. First team foul on FAU. Now Anas. Guarded by Uno. Big. Looking for Peralta. Downside by Sumalde. To Peralta. Open shoot. Peralta again short. Rebound ng Peralta. Peralta top. Penetrante. Now 1-1 by Calatuche, 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Anas. It's FPU ball. FPU. It's 5 minutes and 47 seconds. It's 4 to 8. 4-point lead on NU. Now Uno. Pass to Malastas. Malastas looking for Keljim. Keljim. Let it fly. Keljim. Short. Keljim again. Block. Keljim. It's forced shot coming from Keljim. It's 2-1. Sumalde. Rebound by Uno. Now Uno. It's my turn by Uno. Looking for Keljim. Nice pick. Manalastas. Yes on Manalastas. Now 6-8. 2-point lead on NU. It's 5 minutes. First quarter. First game for our UAP. Season 4 by Basketballista Anas. 1-1. Looking for Calatuche. Let me try. Short. Rebound. Ang penetrante. Sumalde. It's same ball. 14 the set shot clock. 14. Now Calatuche. Again. Short. Rebound on Keljim. Now Keljim. Let it fly. Keljim. Let it fly. And then short by let it fly. Keljim. Rebound on Nepi. Nepi. Top. Again. Top by Anas. Manalastas. Manalastas to Uno. Pick by Uno. Uno drive. Uno. Yes on Uno. 8 all. First deadlock of the game. Calatuche. Let me try. Nice defense by Nepi. Nepi to Biray. Biray. Stop. Biray. Keljim. Keljim back to Biray. Unselfish pass. Oh! Timeout! On NU. It's now 10 to 8. 2-point lead against FPU. And this timeout is brought to you by Basketballista, TUI, Oro Sports, and Rock Band Abu Dhabi. It's 4 minutes and 6 seconds. It's a 4-0 run coming from FPU. 8 against 10. Now Calatuche. Anas. Short. Rebound on Keljim. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Uno. Looking for Biray. Biray. Now Uno time. Uno escape. Uno drive. Two jump again by Uno. Short. Rebound on Anas. Now Anas to Calatuche. It's 3-on-1. Calatuche to Sumalde. Two stroke. Calatuche again. Wow! Basket count and 1 on Calatuche. All on Uno. First against Uno. Second team foul on FPU. Now 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 11-10, back to 1-point lead on NU. Now Biray. Set a play for Biray. Biray. Nepi. Ball. Rebound on Anas. Now it's Calatuche time. Calatuche. Signature shot. Too strong. Rebound on Manalastas. Manalastas to Biray. Biray paid. Biray. Looking for Keljim. Let it fly. Keljim paid. Keljim. Keljim looking. Oh, nice rebound. Kick ball. Nice defense. Kick ball. Now 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 14 shot clock. 14. Rebounding Keljim. Manalastas. Now Calatuche. 1-on-1. Let it try. Calatuche. Left-handed shot. Oh! Calatuche. Now 13-10. It's 3-point lead on NU. Uno. Now Biray. Kadi may Sumalde. Biray. Let me try. Yes all. Biray. Bang, bang, bang on Biray. Now 13 all. It's our second deadlock of the game. 2 minutes and 10. All by NU against FU. Now Anas. Sumalde. Short. Rebound ng Peralta. Oh! Basket count and 1 ng Peralta. Foul on Nepi. 13 foul at EU. First. On number 26, Nepi. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Still we're live and still alive. Basket sa Pintusun pa. Basket time out rep. Analastas. To Nepi. Nepi to Viray. Looking for Uno. Uno, long 3. Too strong, rebound top. It's Sumalde. To Calatuche. It's Calatuche, guarded by Uno. Calatuche, let it try by Anas. Oh! What a play coming from Calatuche to Anas. Time out. Oh, not you. Ang time out is brought to you by Corey Sports. Basketballista. Tui. The Inkers, Abu Dhabi. And our referee for today, it's referee Apatan and referee Ram.
May ganun ka rin?
Mag-like ka pa, wag lang. Share mo lang sa akin. Share mo lang. Mamaya. Wala. Kaya yun ang app ko. Kasi sa app. Ano mo ginagamit eh. Sayang. 1 minute and 30. Piray. Rebound on Pinitrante. It's Anas. Anas time. It's Anas looking for Anas to Calatuche. Pick. It's traveling violation Calatuche. 1 minute and 10. It's Uno. Biray. Long. Bang! All BRY Biray. It's 17-16. 50 seconds. Steal. Again by Nepi. Nepi to let it fly. Belgium let it fly now. 18-17. 1 point lead on FPU. 40 seconds. Nice move. Otoko, where are you? Calatuche, it's 30 seconds. It's 24 seconds, 20 to shoot. Four seconds differential, Biray. What a play coming from behind at 20-19. 1 point lead on FAU. 15 seconds. 10. Anas. Short. Basket net count. It's 19 against 20. Only 1 point lead on FEU. Second quarter ready, second quarter. And our second quarter is brought to you by Mitsubishi Motors, Honda, Toyota. Malay yung maririnig, di ba? Nangyari? Nangyari? Nangyari, sir? Ha? Problema pa tayo, walang problema natin. It's FEU ball, FEU, second quarter. Warning all number 16 on summon for the line again. Now Isidoro in the ball game. Looking for Anderson, first basketball shot now. Rebound on Salas. Looking for Calatuche. Big signature shot to strong down rebound on Manalastas. Now Manalastas Isidoro. Biray. Long three, Biray. Short. Kill them. Top. It's NU ball, NU. Now, back to Salas. Karin Peperay, Kalatuche. 1-1 by Isidoro, 14 to shoot. Anas, long three. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anas, now 22. Against 20 now. It's 2-point lead on NU. Isidoro. Bang! Bang, bang, bang on Isidoro. 23 to 22, back to 1-point lead on NU. Kalatuche. Signature shot. Nice defense on Anderson. Now Biray. It's Biray's hand. Biray. Looking for Biray. Let me try for three. Biray. Short. Anas. To Kalatuche. It's a new ball. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. 23. Against the 22. Now Anas. Anas again, too confident now. Rebound by Samoy. Anas again, rebound. 14 shot clock. Salas. Again, air ball. Rebound on Anderson. Yeah, Mr. Shooter intercept. Mr. Shooter now, Anderson. Anderson now. It's Anderson down. Brad Anderson looking for Manastas. Manastas on the response. Anderson. Nice defense on Salas. To Samoy. Kalatuche. Oh, Keljam. Let it fly. Keljam. Bam. Foul on number 16 on Samoy. First on Samoy. First team foul against NU. It's 7 minutes and 42. 24 to 22. It's 2-point lead now on FU. Now 3-point lead on FU is 25 against the 22. Anas, same spot. Drive, escape. Anas, drive, side step. Whoa! Anas. Now you can call Anas as a veteran player now. Anas. Isidoro. Anderson, Mr. Shooter, short. Rebound, it's foul. Foul on number 36 on Biray. First on Biray. First team foul on FU. 7 minutes. Now Kalatuche. Looking for turnover. Now let it fly. Keljam, top keeper by Samoy. Isidoro. Looking for Keljam. Keljam, let it fly short. It's Anderson. Now Isidoro. It's 14 to shoot. Isidoro long three. Don't leave me open. Top. Rebound on Biray. Short by Biray. Top on Salas. Now Salas. It's 2-1. Salas to Kalatuche. Kalatuche, hang time too strong. Salas again in and out. Top. Kalatuche. 1-1. Short. Kalatuche again. 14 second. Kalatuche. Third time, fourth time. Short. Rebound on Biray. Pow. Foul on Salas. First against Salas. First, second team foul against NU. Isidoro. Anderson. Keljam. 10 to shoot. Isidoro. Back to the Mr. Shooter. Bang. Time out. On NU. A long three coming from the shooter. Anderson. It's 28 to 24. 5 minutes and 40 seconds for our second quarter. And like to thank our sponsors, Honda, Abu Dhabi, Mitsubishi Motors, Motivation, and Basketballista. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Bounding Anas sa Salas. Looking for Kalatuche. Salas, long 3, air ball. Back-to-back turnover on Salas. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Manalastas looking for Anderson. Back to the point guard. Isidoro. Back to Biray, long day, bang, 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 on Biray, now 31 to 24, it's raining now, for 3 on FPU, 7-point to FPU, Anas, let me try for 3, oh, in and out by Anas, down the Lightning Kid, we call the Lightning Kid, Isidoro, 4 minutes and 49 seconds, Keldon, Anderson, Pay, Anderson, short rebound on Keldon again. Oh, let it fly Keldon. It's 33 to 24. It's a 6-0 run coming from FU. Now Kalatuche. All alone by Latuche. Now need push team is set to shoot. Samoy. Rebound again by Samoy. Fake. Samoy. It's 26 to 33. Back to 7-point lead on FPU. Now the Lightning Kid, Isidoro, nice pass. Manalastas looking for Lightning Kid. Anderson, short. Manalastas, oh, Salas. Now Salas, it's 3 on 3. Salas, 1-1 by Isidoro. Salas looking for Kalatuche. Kalatuche, big. Kalatuche, stay. Cut. Oh, what a moment, Kalatuche. Time out. On FPU, it's 28 to 33. 5-point lead against FEU. And we'd like to thank again our sponsors and our referees. Referee Rapatan and Referee Ram. And our next game for tonight is Arlian Lob versus San Pedro. It's only 5-point lead on FU. Now the Lightning Kid, Isidoro. Pass to Biray. Long 3 by Biray. Short rebound. Oh! Manalastas. Salas. Salas is late. Samoy. Back to Salas. Salas. Carry by top. 1-1. Escape. Anderson. Drive. Anderson. Too strong. Top by Salas. Salas. It's Salas to Kalatuche. Kalatuche. Signature shot. In and out. Top. Now the Lightning Kid. Foul. Foul again on Samoy. It's third. Team foul on NU. Second personal foul against Samoy. Now Manalastas. Looking for the Lightning Kid. Isidoro. Biray. Escape, Biray. Oh! In and out the Biray. Kalatuche. Top. It's Samoy. It's Samoy time. Samoy, let me drive. Samoy pass to Anas. Anas pick. Salas. It's good. Salas. Samoy. It's 3-second violation on NU. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. It's 33 against 228. Now killed him. Anderson back to kill him. Biray. 10 shoot. The Lightning Kid, Isidoro air ball. Rebound by Anas. Now Anas. Anas go to go. Nice pass to Anas. Stop. Pick out pass. Now 14 to shoot. Samoy. Oh! What a move by Samoy. It's 30 to 33. Only 3-point lead on FU. 1 minute and 50 seconds. And the Lightning Kid, Isidoro. Biray. Back to the Lightning Kid. 14 to shoot. Anderson, Mr. Shooter. Too strong. Top. Rebound on Kalatuche. It's Kalatuche. 3-on-1. Nice Salas. Salas drive. Yes, on Salas now. 32 to 33. It's 1-point lead now, FU. Keljem, let it fly. Too strong air ball. Rebound again by Anas. Is Kalatuche 1-on-1. Kalatuche group. Kalatuche side step move. Nice defense on. Lastas. Salas. Short. Top. Rebound on Biray. Biray. It's like a jog. Biray. Back to Lightning Kid. In and out. Top. It's a new ball. 1 minute. 33 against the 32. All 1 point lead only by FPU. Now Kalatuche, guarded by Anderson. Kalatuche is it. Kalatuche, nice defense on FPU. Now Samoy is there, short by Samoy. Killed him. Looking for Biray. Biray, long pass by Biray. In and out by Biray. Rebound on Samoy. Now 2-2. Kalatuche, pop it. Bang! Basket down and 1 on Kalatuche. Foul on Manalastas. First on Manalastas. Second team foul at you. 34-33. 27 seconds. Now 3-point lead on NU. 35-32. 2-point lead on NU. 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Whoa, Kelvin, it's 35 all. 5 seconds. And this is the end of our second quarter. Our score. High ball game. It's 35 all. And again, we'd like to thank our sponsors. Honda, Mitsubishi, Chicks to Go, and Everready.
Bawas muna tayo. Ini ito na bawas. Dati pambayad ko. Yun na, hindi ka ganun. Bawas mo. Bisa nga, di ba? Manihira pa lang ano. Ingat ka, ingat ka talaga. Nangyari? Nangyari siya. Bakit? Lagi na sakit eh. Ha? Lagi ka rin sakit. Ano ko nubo? Ewan na sa kamera. Trabaho. Usap tayo tungkol sa kan. Ha? Kay Saul.
Nagbigay na sila Kalatuche.
Ano din?
Nagbigay na. Okay na.
Ano ka pagkain na?
Okay na.
Kaya na lang din. Tapos, branded kayo sa Pino.
Ito na?
Branded.
Kalatuche.
300.
NU. NU. Wala sila binigay?
100.
100, 300.
Salas. Top. It's Uno.
Ito ang sira ng sino.
Hindi ko naman sinasadya.
Tanda. Dapat ka mga mag-iwan.
10 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. Now 38 to 35.
Sino yung shot?
Diray.
Now Samoy guarded by 2. Salas. To Sumale. Big open jump. Short. Rebound of Peralta. Yes, on Peralta. 37. Again to 38. It's 1 point lead on NU. Now the Lightning Kid, Isidoro. Short. It's Salas. Salas now. It's Salas. Nice pass down. Oh, nice defense on Nepis. FEU ball. FEU.
Parang kuan ba?
Now Biray. Uno. Biray now. Biray. Long three. Same spot. Too strong. Rebound on Pinitrante. Is Pinitrante. Look at Biray. Pinitrante. Ah, defense. Pinitrante again. Pinitrante. Sam is there. Take the shoot. Whoa! Now point 39 to 38. It's 1 point lead on FEU. FEU.
Ikaw mo.
39, 38.
Lightning key again. The lightning again. Now Biray. Take the shoot. Anderson. Nice defense on Samoy. Hey!
Oh no.
It's 24 shot clock violation. 24 shot clock violation against FEU. Nicely on Edu. Now Salas. Up. It's struggling violation on Pinitrante. 7 minutes and 20. The lightning kid now. The lightning kid. Isidoro. Biray. Long three. Hesitate. Guard by Samoy. 7 minutes. Uno. 5 to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Biray. It's 41 to 39. Yes, on Uno. 4 minutes, 6 minutes and 30, 43 to 39. Sumalde. 3. Short, too strong. Ah, Samoy. Samoy back. Samoy. Second, too strong. Rebound on Pirata. Sumalde. Salas. Your ball on Salas in 6 minutes. Biray. Looking for the lightning kid. Isidoro. 14 to shoot. Nevi. Salas. It's Salas to Samoy. Samoy. Oh, too strong. My Samoy. Samoy escape. Samoy save. Now Salas. 1-1 by the lightning kid. Oh! On Salas. It's 41 to 43. 2 point lead again FEU. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Now Isidoro. 14 to shoot. It's FEU ball. Nothing but air coming from the lightning kid. 43 to 41.
5 minutes ba na?
Oh, Samoy! Samoy, nice pass down to bang! It's 43 all. 5 minutes! Anderson to Biray. Top. Anderson. Again, Samoy. It's Samoy time. We call that Samoy time. It's Salas. Looking for Samoy. Samoy mo. In and out. Top. Biray. It's Uno. Now Uno. Uno now. Uno is traveling violation. Traveling. Substitution. Tayo of substitution.
Careful, Uno.
Yeah, pasok, sub.
4 minutes and 37 seconds. It's traveling violation on Somali. 43 all. Our score, it's 43 all. It's any volleyball game. 43, 4 minutes and 10. Keljem, let it fly. Too strong by Keljem. It's Somali. Keroche. 1-1, 1-3. Keroche. Kalache, stop. Looking for Nepe. Guarded by Nepe. Kalache, all alone. Stop. Stop. Kalache, stop. All alone. Kalache, guarded by 2. Kalache again. Looking for Simalde. Simalde. It's 3 short. Air ball. Substitution up. Stop. 3 minutes and 50. Anderson. Rebound by Anas. Now Samoy guarded by the electric kick. Samoy. Oh, Napi. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. It's 3 on 2. Napi. Black. Oh, wonderful job by Napi. It's 45 to 43. 2.3 FPU. Timeout on FPU. And timeout is brought to you by Motivation, Telja, Armos Fundamentals, and Basketballista. It's NU versus FEU, or RUAAP, Season 4 by Basketballista. Three minutes and 17. It's 22 to shoot, 20 seconds. Shot clock. Now, little lighting kid, Isidoro. 1. 14 to shoot. Short. Manalastas. Napi. Same ball. 10 to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Short. It's Kalajoche. Kalajoche. Local way. It's 45 all. It's 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Let it fly! Bang! 47-45. First team foul on you. 2 minutes and 17. Rebound. Catch him. Hey, 10 to shoot. Oh! Kalajoche! Kalajoche, 1-on-1 like that. Signature shot against rebound on Kalajoche. Foul! Foul number 14 on Kalajoche. Second team foul on NU. Second personal foul on Kalajoche. Kajim, short. Rebound top. Kajim again. 14 set shot clock. Blocked by Anas. Oh, Anas to Kalajoche. Now Salas all the way by Salas. Now 48 to 47. Back to 1 point lead on NU. 1. Let it fly. Let the kid. Short. Rebound on Hunters. Kalajoche. Kalajoche third. Kalajoche. Nice defense by Isidoro. 1 minute. Nabi. Pass. 1. Bang. NU auto. It's 48-9. Timeout. FEU. It's 13 foul now NU. 49 against the 48. All by NU. FEU.
Samoy. Samoy.
Samoy.
Mga tumingin sa kanya, tingin mo kanya.
Yung foul?
Oo.
Samoy third. Siya ba may foul?
Mamaya kasi tanong natin.
Warning on Samoy, port on Samoy.
Sorry.
53 seconds.
Si Moja bumulong daw kaya, no? Si Moja bumulong kay...
Now Salas.
Wala yan!
Rebound. Nabi. It's Nabi. Nabi. Oh, pass still on Salas. Salas 1-1. It's 3-2. Anas for 3. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Anas is 51 to 49. 25 seconds.
Wag.
Rebound on Hunters. 20 seconds. Anas. 10. Short. Kelvin. It's 3 seconds. 3.
Sit down.
3 seconds.
Nice!
And now the third quarter score. It's 51 against the 49. Fourth quarter ready. Fourth quarter.
Samoy apat na. Samoy.
Sabay tayo sa base.
Last quarter. Last quarter. FEU ball. FEU.
Kita pa. Akinting.
Last quarter. Now the Lightning Kid. Let it ride for 3. Bang! Bang, bang, bang. On the Lightning Kid. Now 51.
Score mo. Score mo.
Sandali lang, score lang eh.
Dito ka tumingin.
Oo, sandali. Siguro alam ko.
Score mo. Stress yun. Ang tagal mo mag-score.
Kaya kanina magkamali ako ay.
Lightning Kid again. Short. It's Anas. Pintante. Caladuche. 51 all.
Shot! Ay, shot!
Short. Jay Phillips.
All kayo. All kayo. All kayo. Please kayo. All kayo. All. Anong score nila? Anong score dito bila?
5-1, 5-1.
Ah, not quite. Coming from Manalastas. Sumalde to Samoy. Samoy move to Anas. Yes, on Anas. It's 53 to 51. 2-point lead on NU. And still we're live on the Facebook page. 14 to shoot. Teardrop, short. Anas again, rebound. It's Sumalde. 1-1. Sumalde, drop. Rebound on Anderson. Biray. Bang! Time out. Oh, NU, it's 54 against 51. This time on this brought to you by Color Sports, TUI, the Inkers, and Basketballista.
54, 51, 53, 51.
Saya hindi ka tumitingin nila. Chat ni Anas kanina.
6 minutes and 50 seconds. Kalajuche. Anas.
Shot, shot!
Nice fake. Kalajuche drive. Kalajuche. Too strong. Rebound by Anas. Isidoro. Nabe. Anderson. Nice ball. Oh, what a play. 56 to 53. It's 3-point lead W. Foul on Manalastas. Second on Manalastas. First against FU. (56 to 53). Only 3-point lead FU. 54 to 56. Biray, long three, rebound, on, finish, Infante. Foul. Foul on Hunters, sa division left south. First on Hunters, first team foul on NU. Uno. Sporting to shoot. Foul on Anas. Second team foul at the Salitusun at NU. Sabrat.
Anas first.
First on Anas. Zero out to two coming from foul on number 16 on Samoy 5 fouls. 13 foul on NU. Fourteen to shoot. Top. Belgium. It's 14 to set shot clock 14. It's 5 minutes. Ten to shoot. Five. It's a new ball. 4 minutes and 30. 56. Against 254, only 2-point lead on FU.
Nice one.
Here not again. Rebound on Nebi. Now Anderson drive. Anderson escape. Bang! Anderson. It's 58 now to 54. A 4-point lead on NU.
Nice one.
Anderson again. Anderson. Rebound on Calatuche. 1-1 by Anderson. Calatuche, signature shot. Bang! On Calatuche. 56 to 58. It's 2-point lead FU. Uno. Bang! Running time in FU. It's 61-56, 5-point lead on FU. Pinitante. It's troubling violation on NU. 3 minutes and 24 seconds.
Nakapito na. Sikon na. 3 points. Zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Black.
Harimo, one time.
Si Anderson wala.
Then shoot. Now Biray have one 3-point shot for being the highest free throw 3-point shot king now. On basketballista, only one 3. Sabi to sa depth, shot. Short.
Balance.
14 to shoot. Biray! Oh! Biray now is the one king 3-point shot now. It's 64 to 56.
3 points.
Short, 2 minutes and 20. Anderson. Traveling violation now, traveling violation.
Like 1
Sub, rep, sub. 2 minutes and 13. One minute and 56 seconds. 14 to shoot. 10.
Nice.
8.
Atay!
Defense of Biray. 1 minute and 30. Short. Top. Anderson. Now let it fly. Kill them. Let it fly. Too strong.
It's okay.
Now Biray. 4 is 9 3-point shot. Biray. Oh, yun na natin Biray.
Uy, may oras pa.
1 minute. Yun na natin Salas. Anas.
Nice.
Short. Rebound on kill them.
Highlights. Highlights.
50 seconds. 50. Basta mo kasi basahin.
45 seconds. Short.
Dalawa na tayo, dalawa na.
Highest 3-pointers.
28 seconds. 28.
Biray 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24.
20 seconds. 15. 14 to shoot. 10.
Boom!
26.
3 seconds. 3. And then over game, more winner.